Welcome! If you're tired of getting those prompt response alerts every time you watch or interact with Instagram Reels, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off prompt response alerts on Instagram Reels, so you can enjoy your scrolling without any extra interruptions. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on your profile page, look to the top right and tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu or the hamburger icon. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can control all your Instagram preferences. Next, find and tap on Notifications. This section lets you manage all the alerts Instagram sends you, from likes and comments to live videos and, of course, Reels. Now look for the option labeled Live and Reels. Tap on it to see all the notification settings specifically for live videos and Reels content. Scroll down until you find the section called Prompt Responses. Here, you'll see options to customize how you receive alerts about prompt responses on Reels. To turn them off completely, simply select Off. And that's it. You've successfully disabled prompt response alerts for Instagram Reels. From now on, you can browse Reels without those pop-up prompts getting in the way. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, just follow the same steps and select your preferred alert setting. Keeping your notifications customized helps you enjoy Instagram the way you want, without unnecessary distractions. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Enjoy your Instagram experience and see you in the next video.